Here's the Kia Forte. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and open the driver's side door. Pull on the primary hood release lever. In front of the vehicle, lift up the hood, put one finger in there right above the Kia emblem, push it left, and now get the prop rod, put it right in that slot with the arrow marking it, like that. Now let it go, and now the hood should be secure in place. Now that's the front turn signal light bulb. Both the sides exact same process, just as accessible. I'm going to start with the driver's side one. So right there is the bulb holder. We just have to get that out. We have to put your hand in there and then twist it left if you're looking in from the back towards the front. This is the motion. Grab it and twist it left. Now it's possible though that no matter how much you try, it'll just be stuck on there. Like, try hard as you might, it'll likely just be stuck on there. And if that's the case, just get a needle nose plier, or basically any pliers, get it on there. The longer the pliers, the better it is, the more leverage you have. So just get it on there and then use the pliers to twist the bulb holder left. That's it. Just one little push, one little twist, and it's loose. At this point, just grab it and pull it out, and out it comes. There you go. To get the bulb out, just push it down and twist it left. So down, left, out it comes. The bulb size is right there on it. 2357A. A is for the amber color. Again, 2357A. Get the new bulb and put it in the bulb holder. If you cannot push it down though like this, just stop. Take the bulb out. Turn it around. And now you should be able to push it down. So push it down, twist it right, and let it go. Let's put the bulb holder back in, and this is where you have to be a little bit patient, because you have to make sure that the bulb holder actually drops in the light. So you have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. That is good. Now at this point, you can just twist it right to lock it in place, and you're done. Now moving on to the passenger side, exact same process, just as easy, but I'm going to do it just to prove it to you that it is in fact the same process. Go ahead, grab the bulb holder and twist it left. It's loose, get it out. The same 2357A bulb, put it back in. Again, you'll have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in. At this point, just twist it right to lock it in place, and you are done. That's good. Push on the hood to get the load off the prop rod. Pull it out of the slot. Put it back in its place. Lower the hood and slam it shut. I hope you found it useful.